Hello, and welcome to LaPointe Urban Homestead. Today's topic is planting potatoes. Here at the homestead, we plant our potatoes using the container method, but I'll also explain how to plant if you're using traditional gardens or the root stoute method. First, container planting. I typically start using a 5-gallon HDPE, or known as food grade buckets, with drainage holes. Using that, I place down about 3 to 4 inches of soil and then place 1 to 2 seed potatoes. Due to the size of the container, I never plant more than 2 per. I then top up the container with an additional 3 to 4 inches of dirt, covering all of the potato and at least another 2 to 3 inches above it. This should bring the container to about half to 3/4 full. We leave it like that until it starts to break through the surface by a few inches and actually gain some height. Then top it up continuously with additional dirt until the container is full. You can harvest these potatoes once the actual stalks start to yellow and fall over later in the year. For traditional gardens, the initial method is very similar, where you will place them deep down into your garden bed and cover them with a few inches of dirt. You then use the exact same steps as above to determine when's the best time to harvest. The difference for root stoute method, otherwise known as the no-dig method, you simply put them down in your associated plot and cover them appropriately. I've seen folks use heavy straw or hay bales to basically work in this situation. Regardless of whatever method, there's a few key things to remember when planting potatoes and maintaining the harvest. Watering. It has to be consistent and scheduled. Improper watering or irregular watering can actually cause your potatoes to be small or not properly developed. Chitting. Chitting, or basically getting the most bang for your buck, is taking and cutting up an existing seed potatoes in approximately 1 to 2 inch chunked sections, allowing them to harden via the air and basically kind of callus over, and then using those to plant rather than the full potato. By doing so, this will actually allow you to plant more plants using that single initial seed potato than you originally did. Do you plant potatoes today? If so, what method do you use? Please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to see more, hit that like and subscribe button.